Life unfolds in quiet harmony until everything changes in an instant. A nuclear explosion is one of the most catastrophic events humanity could ever face. In this video, we'll explore its effects on the human body, step by step, distance by distance, and time by time. From ground zero to the farthest fallout zones, we'll uncover the science behind the devastation and its lasting impact. In the first fraction of a second, the bomb releases energy equivalent to millions of tons of TNT. Temperatures at the epicenter reach up to 10 million degrees Celsius, vaporizing everything in its path. Human bodies within 500 meters are reduced to ash in an instant. The only evidence left behind? Shadows burned onto walls, a haunting reminder of what was lost. The fireball expands rapidly, emitting an intense heat wave. At 1 kilometer from the epicenter, the human body experiences third-degree burns, destroying nerves and tissues. Clothing and hair ignite instantly. Even miles away, the radiant light causes temporary or permanent blindness to anyone who looks directly at the explosion. Following the heat wave comes a devastating shock wave, traveling faster than the speed of sound. Within 2 kilometers, buildings collapse and debris becomes lethal projectiles. The human body is no match for this force. Bones break, organs rupture, and the impact often proves fatal. Survivors face severe trauma, bleeding, and disorientation. Radiation exposure begins moments after the blast. Gamma rays and neutrons penetrate deep into the body, damaging cells and DNA. Within a 5-kilometer radius, survivors face acute radiation sickness. Symptoms appear within minutes: nausea, vomiting, and burns. For many, this marks the beginning of a slow and painful end. As the mushroom cloud rises higher, it carries radioactive particles far beyond the immediate blast zone. Radioactive fallout, the silent killer, spreads far and wide. Carried by the wind, these particles contaminate everything they touch: air, water, and soil. People hundreds of kilometers away are exposed to radiation through food and water. The long-term effects include cancers, genetic mutations, and birth defects that haunt generations. The farther you are from the blast, the better your chances of survival. At 10 kilometers, injuries like burns and lacerations are less severe. Beyond 20 kilometers, the immediate effects fade, but the fallout remains a deadly threat. Shielding, distance, and time are key to increasing your odds of survival. The devastation of a nuclear explosion is total, its scars enduring. But history offers us a chance to learn. These weapons are not just instruments of war, they are tools of annihilation. The choice is ours: to remember, to act, and to ensure such devastation never happens again. This video is dedicated to the victims of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Let us learn, remember, and work for peace.